5 simple steps for making $500 a day online for beginners in 2024. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down exactly how you can be making that sort of money. And just as a bit of social proof, I'm just going to pull up some income screenshots on the screen here, just so you can see the kind of money that I'm making in. So $500 a day is conservative compared to what you can actually make using these methods, which I'm about to share with you in this video. But before I kind of get into that, my name's Andy Mattis. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content that I'm dropping every single week on how you can make money online so that you can sack your boss and live a true life of passion, freedom, and fulfillment. So the business model that I recommend making $500 a day online with is something called affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is essentially just selling other people's proven products and earning a commission when a sale is made. Now, the great thing about this is it's good for beginners because you don't need to worry about creating the product. You don't need to deal with customer support or anything like that. So you can literally just focus on the sales and marketing aspect of things, and then you can make $500 a day in commissions from what you sell. So the very first thing you're going to need to do is to pick a niche, okay? And there are three main niches within the online space, and they are health, wealth, and relationships. And within those niches, there are multiple different sub-markets. So affiliate marketing is essentially just a sub-niche within the make money online space, okay? So now we've selected a niche and we've got that out of the way. The next thing that you want to be doing is you want to be doing a bit of market research. And I'll kind of get into why we need to do this in just a second, because we're going to be creating content which basically resonates with an audience and drives traffic towards our offers. So I'm going to get into that in just a second. So don't worry about that just now. But the reason we want to be doing this market research is we want to be able to understand our audience on a very deep level. So we want to be able to understand their pains, want to understand their problems, and then we also want to understand their desires. And when you can understand this stuff on a deep level, it's really good because you can use this stuff in your marketing. You can make people feel like you've just hit their bruised knee, and then educate them on why what you're selling is a solution to these problems that we've spoken about in this video. So understanding this is going to be very powerful for you to be able to create engaging content that actually resonates with an audience, right? So the next thing we want to do, we're going to be getting into the nitty-gritty of it now. And the next thing we want to do is we want to select a product. Okay, so if you are somebody that's on a tight budget and you're looking for free products, then I recommend going to either ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, or ShareASale. Okay, now once you've got that out of the way, you can go in there, you can select a product which works for you. But if you are somebody that's looking for a high ticket product to sell, something that's going to pay you high commissions, then I do recommend clicking on the first link in the description and checking out the free training I put together. Now, step number 4 is to build a funnel to automate your sales. Now, if you are in most affiliate programs, they will have a funnel built for you, so you won't really have to worry about that stuff. So a funnel is a tiny little website which takes people through a specific journey out to a certain outcome. Whereas on a website, you would have, the about page, you would have the home page, you have all of these different places where people can click. Whereas on a funnel, people can only go to the next step. So there may be an opt-in for them to go and watch a video, and then there may be a schedule page or something like that on the other page, right? So now we've got the funnel out of the way, then the last thing that we want to do, step number 5, is to drive traffic to that offer, right? So we've done the market research earlier on, so we now understand, what our audience's pains and problems are. Now that we've done that, we can now start marketing to them with videos, right? So we can create videos which tap into those pain points, which are specifically on those problems that we've spoken about earlier. And we can basically be helping people solve those problems. And just to give you an example of kind of the problems that people experience from market research that I've done is you could be a busy parent, for example, right? And you could be working 50, 60 hours a week. And that's basically keeping you away from, being able to watch your kids grow up. And that can be quite a painful problem for a parent to actually, witness, have to go through as they're working all the time. So if you can just basically say, right here's this business model called affiliate marketing. You can do this in your own time. It can make you location independent. So if you make a full-time income on it, you can work from home. Okay, as all you need is a laptop and internet connection. It may sound a lot more appealing than their 9-to-5 job or whatever job that is that they're doing, that they're working 60 hours a week on. It may sound more appealing to them, and it may be a business model that they may be able to get into. So just to give you an example, there's an example right there that we can use. So if any of you are looking for a free training on exactly how to start, grow, or scale an affiliate marketing business to 6 figures using something called the Ollie framework, then I do recommend clicking on the first link in the description and checking out the free training I've put together on that. I'm Andy Mattis, and I'm out.